Other day Asha asked, what is my opinion on friendship? When you quote Mahabharata, I gave an explanation from Mahabharata only. So what is that you have written is from Mahabharata, then I gave an answer from Mahabharata. Correct or not? The Krishna Gatha were in Arjuna and Krishna talking to each other. They are friends. But what is that Krishna got while giving lot of advices to Arjuna?
What is that Krishna got? I don't know, sir.
Good questions.
Yes.
Good questions is what he got. And what is that Krishna got? In the beginning itself, Krishna said, I surrender to you. I will listen to you. And that surrendering is what Krishna got. Is it not that the wish of a teacher to get a student in his life? That is what Krishna got. So what Krishna got during the... Otherwise Krishna and Arjuna was only friends. But then Arjuna surrendered to Krishna. So friends can be surrendered to a disciple. That is what Bhagavad Gita is. Now what Krishna got during... What Krishna gave to this man, Kuchela? He gifted lot of things to Krishna. But what he got? Or he ate something from the avil what he given.
Yeah.
So what he got? He got something back. So friendship is something which exchange things. What a rich man gets when he gifts something to a poor fellow?
Happiness.
That happiness is the return which you got. Finished. You don't have to get anything else. So assume that Milka, Asha, Gopika doesn't talk to me from tomorrow onwards. Turn your face when I am walking on a street. You are coming from the other side. You cross and go because I don't want to meet this fellow. I have no objections. I don't get a single iota of thoughts on you. I have seen such people also in my life. I don't care all of them. Because I am not binded to any one of you.
Right.
You understood? No husband is binded to wife. When there is a big fight, they will say, divorce, finished. They go apart. Thinking about them becomes a problem if they are binded. If they are not binded, there is no problem at all. I am not binded to my students. See, I worked in a university as a professor of statistics and mathematics for last 3 months. I just left it. Now I am not there. I have no binding to any of those students. So, as long as they are with me, I am with them. If they are not with me, I am not with them. That's it. So, friendship also is like that. So, you don't have to have some friendship continuously. Do you have all those friends who were with you from LKG onwards with you now? You keep shifting.
No.
See, those people who studied with me in my schools and colleges, you know one Sridharan who is working in my house in Kerala, who was my classmate during 8th and 9th. Now he is not my friend. I am paying him. Do you pay for all services your friends do for you? Can I say you are my friend, you come and work, I will not pay you? No, it doesn't happen. So the relationships will keep changing. So you don't have to have somebody who is a friend becomes throughout a friend for you.
Right.
They keep changing. Friends will become enemies, enemies will become friends. No, the friends will become your subordinate, friends will become your... It's possible, no. Assume that I have a good friend and then I lost my job. Somebody says tomorrow onwards you come and work under me. I will go there. I cannot say he is my friend. Then when I work under him, he has become my boss, I will become his subordinate. So friendship is only a temporary state in which we share equal interest. I have some equal interest to somebody, then we have some spare time. But my interest also keeps changing. What interest I have in some time need not be my interest now. And probably I have no job. So I am interested in music. I started learning music. Then after some time I lost my interest. What do? I am not learning music. So those people who are with me with the music, my company will be lost. So my friends are lost there. When you go for a music class, you had a few friends. When you go for football, you had a few friends. So it's like a temporary company. You don't have to keep them along with you throughout for longer time. The friendship is only temporary, which you convert it into different, because there are 7 notes in a musical instrument. All the notes need not make the same sound, similar sound, then it cannot make music. So I may have some friendship with somebody, in something else I will have somebody else. All that together I will make my life happier. I find different people at a different spectrum. Maybe professionally I have a friend, spiritually I have a friend, right? And for games and arts I may have a different friend. So this keep changing.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, so are you telling that you share different equations with different people?
100%.
Uh,
100%. My relationship with Asha is entirely different from Milka and different from Sriharsha just now joined. You understood? I may have a servant maid who is also a friend of mine, because today I shared. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I am going for a program somewhere, and that is going to help her daughter in making a life by herself. Immediately when I got it, I played for her and then shown, why should I do it for a servant? I don't have to do it. So that servant maid who comes to my house, I have got some friendship. Whichever I do outside my professional activity or my job, my subordinate or my superior, what I share other than what I am meant to them is a friendship, which if they like it, they start communicating, and then we start talking to each other on that topic, then the friendship will continue. But yeah, it's not my interest, then finished. Then we will not continue that direction. That's it. So friendship is not helping somebody else. Helping doesn't make friendship at all. A exchange is what is friendship. That means equal interest. There is a difference between helping and collaborating. Nobody should help me in my life, but I need collaborating with different people for different purposes. I am not helpless. When I am asking, look at my video, post it there, comment it there, it is not at all helping me. It may help somebody else, so that I am asking you to collaborate with me in spreading some messages. You understood? When you do that, I feel, yeah, you are a person who is with me in that line. Assume that I want to work with some NGO. What do? I will go, talk to them, understand. If they are in my frequency, I will work with them. By working for them, I am not helping them. I am working for an organization doesn't mean I am helping them. I share the same frequency, therefore I am working for them. That's it. And when their principle doesn't accept my principle and I have to just surrender to them, I become an employee. Most of the political parties are like that. That's why I cannot become a politician at all in my life. The reason is the time if I accept them, assume that I accept them, then what becomes, whatever the boss says, I will have to say yes sir, no? Then only you can sustain in the politics. which is not part of my life, because there is no friendship, there is only hierarchy there. So these are all different. Friendship is entirely different, where you share, where you collaborate, where you cooperate each other, for people to have a feeling of companionship, comradeship, companion and comrade, for a very specific purpose. I have a friend who may like to travel, I may travel with them. The travel can be spiritual travel, that can be a entertainment. But I don't think I am a regular traveler who keeps on traveling. For that purpose, I will have a friendship. Probably there are 3-4 different platforms in which we share. Your interest also may change. Probably this time you think that, listening to him is better, but sometimes you think it's not worth. People go. Naturally possible, no?
Right.
Or you are traveling to some place, I can afford it, therefore I will travel with you to all India trip. But tomorrow you are planning you will go to Singapore, which I say no, I am not rich enough for that.
So then how some people have friends for a long time?
That is what I am
some
saying.
people have-
That is what I am saying. Assume that my profession is like poetry writing. Another poet. I am totally into poetry. He is also into poetry. Assume I am into cinema. I am also into cinema. Somebody else also is into cinema. They have lot of things to discuss. You should have sufficient stuff to discuss, na? What is friendship? Being together, you should have some communication, some sharing of thoughts. Two business people, I am sure they have a friendship because they have to have discussions. Now I become a friend of somebody who is interested only in business and finance. I cannot sustain for more than half an hour per day. Half an hour probably yes, I will like to discuss with them. Half an hour on music I can discuss with them. Half an hour on poetry I can discuss with them. But I am not either a poet, nor a musician, nor a drama fellow, nor a cinema fellow. I have interest in all of this, but I cannot sustain for longer time. I have no interest in sports at all, so I cannot have any sports fellow being part of my friends. You start discussing about cricket, I will say bye you, bye bye, thank you. Can I have a friendship with somebody who is crazy about cricket? No. But I am sure many people who become friends because they are having common cricket as an interest. I was in Bangalore for a Kerala program, Onam program, few years back. When I was the keynote speaker, there was a chief guest who was a chief manager of a bank, and few guest of honors were there. One guest of honor was a serial actress, and when she was coming, there was a crowd around her. Definitely it will be there. The next one boy was coming, there was a crowd around him. And somebody was taking autograph and all that. He came and sat beside me. Chief guest was there, keynote speaker, he came sat beside me. I was not knowing who is this fellow. Then I looked at the program sheet, I know Srishant. Then I thought this may be Srishant. I don't know, actually I don't know. It's few years back. I am not at all a person who will see cricket. Immediately I had sent a message to my son, tell me something about Srishant. So he has googled and then sent me the picture. This fellow is this only. I confirmed. Then immediately under that he wrote a note saying that no, some character of Srishant also he wrote. But then in the speech I told there is somebody called Srishant. His general character is not Shantam at all. I publicly said. Correct? Because he is not a person who is in Shantam. That is what one message which I got. Otherwise I don't know him actually. So I spoke like that because I don't care him. No. Why should I care him? I have nothing to do with him. I remember there was a group photo. He Kerala NSS, I mean Karnataka NSS, KNSS Dr. TPS. You can see he is taking a selfie with me on that day after the program. So I have no interest in such people. I will not have any company with him at all. We had nothing to speak, though we sat together for maybe 1 hour. We had nothing to speak. I have no common factor at all with him. Got it? So it can vary. Interest can totally vary. I deleted. There was one message that I was nominated as an MLA contesting person by some political party in Kerala. My name was there in who was that? Some 4 or 5 people were there. Under that, one of my name was also there. Which I said I am not at all interested, because you cannot become part of a political party. I cannot become.